Hi guys, this is Claudia from Where Winds Take Me, and I'm on my way to the elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai. Our guides just picked us up and we are now meeting everyone in the group.
Yourself to other people, what's your name and where are you from? Start from here.
On our way, the guide already starts giving us some interesting information about the elephants.
When elephants flap the ear one time, they can reduce the heat about 3 to 6 degrees. That's why African elephant have a large ear. And African elephant have a bigger size and bigger ear, but have small head.
The first stop is the elephant poo-poo paper park, where we were shown the process of making paper from elephant dung.
Now you see the difference between these two. Let me ask you a little bit personal question, alright? How many times you poops in one day? Twice. Once. Elephant pepper. Did you say something? I mean you, not the whole elephant, alright? We're gonna go with elephants soon, but I'm just asking you what's first. One or two is normal for the human. But elephant gonna take about 2. Every 2 hours. Every 2 hours, because they are the animal that, eating. Anyone hungry? No. I hope not. I hope you are, the hotel give you some food before you're gonna come here. Yes, we boiling a poop, but why? Why? First thing first, when you gonna clean them? You're gonna clean them? You're not gonna get the poo and gonna straight down here. No, don't do it like that. You need to get the poo and clean them with the water about 5 times over there. Okay, this is in front side, and this is the back side. The back side have tie like this. Okay, you have to take off your shirt and your pants, keep only underwear. We will get dirty, we will get wet with this uniform.
Once we arrived at the rescue park, we were given uniforms and we started to prepare food and herbal medicine for the elephants.
Yeah, how many muscles for the trunk of elephant?
140,000.
100,000. About 100,000 different muscles. And they can smell about 5 to 10 kilometers. Wow. And they can hear the sound more than 40 kilometers. But elephant got poor eyesight.
This trunk, the trunk of elephant can keep the water about 10 liters. 10
Wow.
liters. That's why they drink water about 5% of their body weight per day. And first of all, I would like to introduce elephant first. Okay, every elephant got the name. Try to say their name. Okay. And first one, her name Mopo. Mopo. She is 32 years old. She just come here in 4 months. She came from Laos. And her left eye is blind. You can see on the left side, she's on the right side of her. Okay?
After feeding the elephants, we had lunch and discussed about the efforts that the sanctuary is making to save the elephants.
Paid a lot of money just to take this elephant for mistreatment. Doesn't make sense. We did it because we care about elephants. We want to save this elephant. We want to rescue this elephant to be happy forever. More than that is our commitment. We want to make this place to be like happy land for elephants. Now they are happy and we want to make visitors happy as well.
After we finished lunch, we took the elephants in the jungle for a walk and we also got the chance to bath them.